Hey guys, here's a complete rundown of my tools again until I get the 1/4 inch Vim tools socket rail clips. Nothing gets changed here. The only drawer lash changed a little bit is this one. Voila. Yep, soon that red tray is about to be bye-bye. Which means bye-bye Monday. And use. Then put those sockets on one of those 2/4 inch rails. After I get the Vim tool 1/4 inch socket rail clip. And then all of my wrenches, and then the clips that the wrenches came in, the 3 wrenches I bought from O'Reilly's, and then the wrench trays from harborfreight, then all my ratchets and sockets were all hand-me-downs. Then my final is my bit drawer, which then has the bit organizers that I bought from Harbor Freight, and my pry tool set, which was off Amazon, which I will probably put a link to, and the 3/8 drive socket rail clips were from Amazon. So yep, bye guys, peace, I'm out. Hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload live stream, make YouTube shorts. Keep me down, keep me down until YouTube makes feature to get notified when I post. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.